In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to add a video to any of your pages. So if we go ahead and hover over any image placeholder, we have the option to go ahead and change this so that we are adding and using a video. Go ahead and click the video icon, and you will see the option pop up on the right-hand side of your screen to add a YouTube URL encode or a Vimeo URL number. Now, it's important to notice that we're not copying the entire YouTube link. We're only copying what's after the dash in our URL. Same with Vimeo. Only enter the Vimeo number associated with the video, and you can go ahead and press preview when you're done. To make things simple, you can go ahead and paste your entire YouTube URL into this box, but remember to delete everything besides the encode. We can go ahead and press preview, and now you will see the thumbnail preview for your video appear. Go ahead and hover over that thumbnail and click on image styling. You'll see the styling menu pop up on the right-hand side of the screen. You can scroll down to image options. You'll see that we've selected a video. We've now successfully embedded our video into the web page, and there's a few more customization tools that we can go over. If you'd like to rotate your video, you can. You can also increase or decrease the opacity of your preview image. You can increase the blur or decrease the blur. You can change contrast, decrease or increase grayscale, hue, saturation. You can invert the colors, or you can increase or decrease the brightness. If you'd like to add a simple border, go ahead and start by selecting the border type. We can select solid as an example. You can now choose to increase the thickness of your border and increase the shadow of your border, and you will see that we now have created a border that you can preview on the left-hand side of your screen. We can also increase the border radius or decrease the border radius to either increase or decrease curved edges around our border. And to change the radius on the left, right, bottom, or top, you have the option to change or customize each corner when it relates to the border radius. As you can see, after increasing the top left and top right, we have an increased border curve around the top two corners. Now, the last step, if you'd like to customize single borders, you have the ability to just add a border over the top, right, bottom, or left. So if we wanted to increase the border on the bottom, we could go ahead and do that by selecting an increase in the pixels to 40. If we wanted to do the same on the left, we could do that right and top. So get familiar with adding and customizing your videos, as well as creating a border within any page on your website.